Morning guys, I want to show you the software we use for bookkeeping and for invoicing. It's a paperless system. You may be familiar with it. It's Square. They give you a free reader. The very cool thing about Square is that they have this reports. Well, I'll show you the whole deal here actually. You put in all your little categories for what you do, family rooms, bedrooms, any services you do, and you obviously put the price in there, that kind of stuff. So you put on all those in there. You can also add discounts to preloaded discounts, and this you can type in on the computer or you can type in on your mobile device. But the cool thing I like about it is the reports option, where you do sales. You can select. We'll just do this month. Then apply. And it shows you just, your gross sales. It gives you the total sales, and then it gives you your average sales, and then it breaks it down here with your totals, your collected, your cards. It breaks it down by category, discounts you've given, all that kind of thing. So it's a very useful tool. And like I said, the cool thing about it is it doesn't require any paper. We've been paperless now for probably, I don't know, 3 years maybe. Let me go back. There we go. Probably 3 years now. So I just wanted to show you. You can also email invoices. So it's just a really cool, easy, free tool that you can use for keeping track of your money's coming in, money's going out, things of that nature. I'll put a link in the description below, which gives you $1,000 in free processing. If you use Square, like I said, you take credit cards. You can do it. You can use this for credit cards, using it for checks, cash. It can use all of your payment methods. The cool thing about Square, one of the many cool things I like about it, is when you use credit cards in the past, you would do your payment, then you have to send them their percentage. The way Square does it is, let's say you do a charge for $100. They're only going to send you 97 because they're going to take off their 3%. Now, I will tell you that I do charge for credit cards. As you can see right here, we do put that in there, and whatever the bill is, we add 3%. That way we're not taking money out of our pocket to run credit cards. So we tell customers, hey, it's check or cash. It's exactly XYZ dollars. If you use a credit or debit card, it's 3% more because that's what they charge us. I've never, I hate to say never, I don't recall ever having problems with people taking, using a credit card, but it's a preference. So that's how we handle it. It's your business, so you can handle it as you deem necessary. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you get in touch with us. omgfloorcare.com or 404-500-9853. We'd love to get you, help you get into the fun, easy, non-truck mounted carpet cleaning business. Till next time, take care, be kind, and we'll see you next time.